So today, we lay to rest the humble lead magnet. A lead magnet is a time-honored tradition in digital marketing, and it's one of the very first things that most people are told they need when starting an online business. And the idea is super simple. We've all seen them. A lead magnet is something that you give away for free in exchange for someone giving you their contact information, usually an email address. So you grow your email list and can follow up with those people about other products and services you have in the hopes of eventually convincing them to buy something immediately or sometime down the road. Now, lead magnets are a fine idea, but the problem is that this isn't 2015 anymore. The big picture is still spot on. You need a group of people who you can reach out to anytime. You need an audience. But if you are still building your audience from freebie seekers, downloading your latest checklist or mini report as a free lead magnet, then you are missing out on the enormous upside that is sitting inside of your business right now. So in this free tutorial, I'm gonna help you guys modernize how you're building that audience, because you still do need an audience. The bigger your audience, the bigger your business can get. But don't you waste another second building an audience out of freebie seekers and free lead magnets. You see, the very first and biggest problem with this outdated strategy is that email is becoming less and less effective. Over the last 10 years, email rates have continued to drop lower and lower and lower and lower. And think about it. Don't you think about email differently than you did 10 years ago? Getting an email isn't fun and exciting anymore, it's work. And you know who is the least likely person on earth to continue to keep opening and reading your emails? Freebie seekers. They want your lead magnet right then and there, and then they are gone. So if I got 100 freebie seekers to download a lead magnet today, within 7 days, I would be left with just a very, very small fraction of those people who will ever open anything from me ever again. And the second problem is that free lead magnets cap what you can make. By saying this is free, you are creating a situation where you literally cannot make a dime in that moment. But what if someone wants to pay you? What if someone wants to buy other stuff? Nope. Your lead magnet puts an artificial lid on your own profit, simply because you've decided that it's better to give something away for free than to ask for anything in return. So let me tell you about a brand new strategy that I see SamCart's top sellers employing every single day. If free lead magnets are the past, this is the future. This strategy builds you an audience. In fact, it builds a hyper-responsive audience that is many, many times more likely to continue to read your stuff and to buy other stuff that you send their way. And best of all, this strategy actually turns this whole thing around and makes you money. A lot of money. Imagine turning something that you are desperately trying to give away for free and start making money from it. That is the dream. And the time has come for you to kill your freebie lead magnet and turn it into a pay-what-you-want offer with SamCart. SamCart has a killer feature where your customers can choose what they want to pay you for something. You set a minimum price and your customers take it from there. But taking your lead magnet and turning it into a pay-what-you-want offer changes everything. Make it $1 or $5, and instead of freebie seekers, you will start building a list of customers, a list of buyers. You know who opens your emails? Customers. You know who comes back to buy the next thing when you have something new to buy? Customers. And it doesn't matter if they spent $1 or $100. That person is a customer, and their actions are way, way different than the freebie seekers that you're trying to get now. In fact, I would gladly take 10 customers over 100 freebie seekers any day of the week. Focus on building your customer list and watch your business explode. And on top of helping you build a better audience, Pay What You Want actually opens up a crazy new opportunity for you to make money. Not only will you make some money from the people paying you, but you'll have people who are willing to throw you 3, 4, or 5 times whatever it is that you're asking as a minimum.
We literally have done $17,000 and $18,000 days from $17 products because we're using the Pay What You Want.
I had one of my clients pay me $1,000 for the book and the course, and I was just like, I never would have expected that. You don't get those options on Amazon.
They weren't just buying at $9. They were giving me 15, they were giving me 20, they were giving me 30.
And that's pretty cool by itself, but plus, this person is a paying customer, even if it's only $1. So you get to put SamCart to work doing what it does best, selling more of your stuff. On any pay what you want offer, you can unleash SamCart's incredible features like order bumps. So customers can add extra products and resources and downloads and whatever else you have for them to their order by clicking on one very simple little checkbox. And then you can even show them one-click upsells after they buy, where SamCart stores their payment information on file, and customers can buy even more stuff by clicking on one single button. Think about it. You never go to Amazon or Target or Walmart and walk out with one thing. All of those brands understand how big they can get by making it easy for your customers to buy more. And now you can do the same thing selling your own products. And when you make it this easy for customers to buy more, that's exactly what happens. All right, so over here inside of SamCart, everything is gonna start by going to this Products tab. And I'm gonna go ahead to the top and just click New Product. And we'll go ahead and give this a quick name. Call it the Social Media Kit, and in the drop-down, I'm gonna select Pay What You Want offer. I'm gonna give this a minimum of $5, so customers can choose to pay $5 or more for this. You can make it a recurring contribution if you'd like, and I'll go ahead and create this product. Right down here is where you can set the price. You can offer a suggested price, so if I wanted to say suggested price is $10, and then you can even change the text to say name your price, or what's really popular right now is pay what you can. Then over here on the Checkout Design tab is where SamCart really goes to work. Up here in our template library are our blank start from scratch templates. And we have a pop-up order form that you can put on any page on your site. But down here at the bottom is where we have all of our pre-written, pre-designed templates for you, like fitness, video sales letter, masterclass, webinar, Avo, studio, just all of these templates absolutely awesome for selling whatever it is that you need on one very simple page. But I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna click on this extremely simple product that we have called Trial. And then I'll boot up the drag and drop SamCart builder. And I'm just gonna turn this into a page that is perfect for selling my lead magnet as a pay what you want offer. You can take some time customizing the text, the images, everything over here on the left. If you have a video, toss it in there, customer testimonials, all good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and just simplify this page down as we don't need too much of this content. And then once my page is created, this is where the magic really can happen. I'm gonna go over to the Upsells tab and I'm gonna go ahead and add in 2 of these order bumps. I've added 2 products in here as order bumps, and I can go ahead and choose the layout that I want. So they can be tall or stacked or a grid, whatever you would like. And of course, you could add more of these as well. I'm choosing to just add 2, but you could go 3 or 4 or 5, as many as you need. You can come down here and change the color scheme so everything matches your branding perfectly. And then right down here at the bottom is where you can add in headlines, product images, descriptions, and more. And I'm just gonna go ahead and customize these order bumps really quick. Once your settings are all set, I'm gonna go ahead and click Save Changes, and then we'll go ahead and just preview this page, and you can see exactly what has been built. All of a sudden, this lead magnet is now ready to be sold as a pay what you want offer, and you can have beautiful, incredible, high converting order bumps that are gonna take orders from something like $5 and take them up over $100 as you allow your customers to spend more for your lead magnet. You can see I've taken the lead magnet, which is right here, the essential guide to social media marketing, and I've gone ahead and added 2 bumps. The first one right here is the social media marketing bundle. A super popular order bump offer that we see with these kind of things is somebody offering a bundle. So I'm giving away a digital copy, maybe go create an audiobook, go record a video or 2 about this topic and sell those other mediums, right, as a bundle. And then the second one down here is a great place for you to go and offer an order bump or even put this in as a one-click upsell, is your core course offering. So in this one in particular, we're talking about a fictional product called Social Affinity that's more about the wider topic, right? Your lead magnet, your free report, whatever it is that you're kind of giving away as the pay what you want, right? Is something kind of specific. And so something that's related but bigger and broader and covers more topics, solves more problems is a great thing to add in as an order bump. And your customers are going to absolutely eat it up. But all of a sudden, this page is ready to replace absolutely any page that you might have out there with your own lead magnets. Instead of giving away everything for free, you're gonna be building a list of customers where people can voluntarily pay you more. And then because they are a customer, you get to unleash things like order bumps and upsells and turn this freebie lead magnet into a brand new source of profit. So yeah, it's time. Time to go kill your lead magnet and jump in on what is next. Convert your freebie lead magnet to a pay what you want offer today and focus on building that customer list. Whether you decide to charge $1 minimum or $50, you can start building a list that is many times more powerful than it would be if you were just building from freebie seeking lead magnets. And start bringing in actual sales, something that you absolutely cannot do giving away things for free. So if you need some inspiration on exactly what to sell in your first pay what you want offer, here are some ideas that I see working like gangbusters. Any kind of done-for-you script, a resources guide that offers all of your favorite tips or tricks or resources or tools for doing whatever it is that you do. A State of the Union type report that gives everybody the most up-to-date information on whatever it is that you teach and share. A simple, quick report that solves a very specific problem that your audience is dying to know. And any kind of checklist that walks someone through a process, a guided checklist to help them accomplish their goal even faster. And if you want to learn more about how easy it is to sell your ebook, reports, video courses, services, and whatever else you might have on SamCart, then make sure you check out this video right here, where I walk through exactly how to create a one-page funnel with SamCart's library of awesome templates that make it easier and faster than ever for you to start selling right now. And if you like this video, go ahead, subscribe to our channel here for more exactly like it, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.